Students, this is e-shopping. In e-shopping, the process of shopping done over the internet is called online shopping or e-shopping. Both products or service can be purchased through online shopping. I have shown you some images like a Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal. Okay, some famous sites, those are providing e-shopping, electronic shopping, okay, for every user. In those, the user firstly go her e-commerce site like a Flipkart, Amazon, and this showing according her use like a laptop, PC, okay, kitchen and clothes, and they shopped, but they not go in our shop. They connect with virtually market, okay. In those, online store open 24 into 7 means 24 hours and 7 days. Same time for giving, same time for giving going regular market, easily to compare for different e-commerce site and then purchase. Firstly you compare how product is this. This pen drive 8 GB is 400 rupees. Another website, those pen drive is 800 rupees. So you have to compare their values according your product, okay, and then they purchase easily. This is the best experience, okay. Now easily to compare, okay. The best thing is e-shopping, the product will deliver at your doorstep. You never go her shop, you only booking our product at our address, and your product will deliver for 1 day, 2 day and 3 days, okay, at time. Some disadvantage: shipping charge are often left on goods purchased, so the discount offer is to no particular benefit. Means some product the company owners are is to be take some extra money. Means you have you have purchase pen drive pen drive cost is 400 400, okay. 400, but her delivery charge, those are taken by her delivery boy is 50 rupees. Means they have not any profit. You purchase this type of pen drive, okay, because you go market and purchase those rate, okay. So this is the disadvantage. Some product he have to be charges extra monies, okay. Then next is sometimes a wrong product you has given. Means you purchase a mobile handset, but he have given a brick brick of some. So this is the major problem in e-shopping system. Many times customer is not sure if the site is interacting. Means sometimes he have to scared her secure and authenticity, okay. The product is authentic or not, you have to purchase, but the product is well or not, okay. So this is the disadvantage of e-shopping. Next is e-reservation. E-reservation system is to be reserve our train ticket, plane ticket, or hotel rooms, tourism packages, Some or all of thing is reserved electronically over the internet. Okay, this is the e-reservation system. I have to be show in a figure IRCTC site. Those are facility to provide train, plane, hotel, everything. Some applications are also be like a Trivago, Trivago, Make My Trip, MMT, Make My Trip. So this is the application which are help to book our train seat, plane, or hotel rooms. Okay, sometimes booking for a conferencing, so he also provide you conference. Okay, so some advantages and disadvantages of e-reservation. Any reservation, be it train, air, hotels, bus, taxi, or any other possible service, it can be done from anywhere to anywhere and at any time. It means you have to book a ticket or cancel a ticket anytime or anywhere. One of thing is in your hand is mobile handset or laptop or PC with internet connection. Okay, this is the condition. Next is compare ticket prices offers by others. I have also shown two companies name, Trivago and Make My Trip. So they have to be also compare in at that day which hotel rooms, same hotel rooms are uh, given by booked by different companies. They have given offers. Okay, and sometimes used to create a tour package, so he also be provide you tour packages. Okay, in different prices. Next is there also need to hop from site the site for different types of reservation for different services. Okay, there are make reservation from the trip, right from the transportation services to hotel booking and restaurant and sightseeing. Those are always saying. From the business perspective, since the payments and are received in advance, chance of getting debt by customers who enjoy the facilities on credit is minimized. It means you have to be booked, but you also pay her money, her cost at instantly. Means if you pay the money, then your seat, your room are allotted for you. Okay, by a company. Next is disadvantage. Since the payment are made online in advance, some sites do not make full refund in case of cancellation. It means you have to cancel 24 in 24 hours. So the company uh, are fine. You have to access some money, not refund full money. Okay, means you have booked a room in 1200, but he returned you 800, means 400 rupees deducted by your. Okay, sometimes it may also happen that customer is not satisfied with the facility or which are, means you have booked 1200 rupees but the room are not like 1200, means in monitor they have to be show very good condition of your room, but you have entered the room are not like 1200 rupees. Okay, this is the disadvantage. So the next is e-governance. Our government have create our work in transparent form, means mostly work they have to be electronically. Early days he have to be maintain our register, and then you ask anything you have to be apply RTI, right to information, and then you seeing the process. But in those days the government have different different department. He have to be divided their websites, like registries of land, railways, water, okay, etc etc. Here is I have to shown e-governance is the application of information technology to the process of government functioning to bring about, means smart, s smart, moral, accountable, responsive, transparency governance. Okay, here's some advantages of e-governance. Means you have to take any facilities of government, you have fill their form electronically online and access their facilities over our bank. Okay, this is the use of technology has improved the speed of communication. Means sometimes the poor person are not access the government facilities. Okay, those are especially applied allotted by those person those are below poverty. Thus the process of policies making implement are gained speed. Next is cost of stationery has decreased, means no paperwork, you work online electronically, communication documentation doing computers. Okay, transparency in government has increased as it allows the public to be informed about what government in working. Means he have changing some rules, so he are mentioned our rules in our network server. Those are seeing by public the changes of their rules and some regulations and some new facilities. Okay, there have some disadvantages. Means mostly peoples in those days are not know the electronic process of to communicate our government. Computer illiterate citizens find it difficult to avail. Means it is not possible to go one by one illiterate person and saying her problem and allotted the information to government. Okay, this is the problem. Here some another means to know our genetic take keep to data of such a large population secure. There is also the add cost of training the government employs on the working of e-governance and also hiring highly skilled professionals for the same, because some employees are not to be understand for their software facilities. He also appoint some experts for some time periods, but he have given extra cost. Okay, those are the very bad for our government. Next is e-group. I will discuss in our next video.